Hello, welcome back. In the last video we have talked about the indexed array. Today I will talking about associative arrays. Associative arrays have key. To create associative array, you should give your array a key. You enter the index with your hand. I will give it name will equal Muhammad. It will equals Muhammad, and we using this our key, this our value. Let's try testing now. What will happen before it will happen? What's the printing? This will printing this. Let's see, 2 and 2. Why it happened? Why it changed to the number 2? Okay, this array, the associative array doesn't start from 0 1. This start with this key. You give the key for this value, so it starts from here 0 1 2 3. Okay, let's test this. I will echo 0. It should printing 2. Say prints 2. Let's print 0 1 2 3. Let's print the number 5. Reload, it will print number 5. Okay, how to create associative array? I will give all values. I will create array for student, for a student, sorry, this wrong spelling. For student. Okay, student name is Muhammad. Age, the age of the student is 15 or 18. The tall of him is 1.7 meter. Okay, let's try using this function and see what happened here. We have an error because undefined error in we should change this to our array. Okay, undefined offset 3 because we don't have any index. This is not indexed array, this associative array. So if we want to print the name, we will enter the name. Reload Muhammad, the name is Muhammad. If I went to printing the age is 18, and 12. We have all these values, so I will add some BR. I will add some BR here. Reload. We have the name and the age and the tall. This associative array using the key. Let's start create the for each and print this array for each student as this is our value echo key. Let's echo the key. See the result. We have a name and age and a tool. Let's add a PR. We have a name and age and tool. Let's add the value. We can say name is Muhammad and age 18 and tool is 1.75 meter. This very easy to using arrays in PHP. Thank you for watching. See you later.